Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech News Urdu. Hi guys, if you are facing the same issue on your Facebook account that says, let me show you here, just a second. It says there was a problem with this request. We are working on getting it fixed as soon as we can. What happens whenever you try to upload a photo on your Facebook page, it gives you this error that I just showed you. Again, you can see here the photo is uploaded perfectly. There is no issue with that. There is no issue with my account, so it's fine as well, but it's giving this issue. There was a problem with this request. We are working on it. We are working on getting it fixed as soon as we can. And the same issue I've been facing since morning. It's been like more than 12 to 13 hours, 12 to 13 hours, and it's giving the same issue. What's the fix to that issue? There are two fixes, two solutions for you guys. Number one, you need to open your page with your smartphone link like m.facebook.com/Carol Market Karachi. Enter. Now I have opened my page with this link m.facebook.com. Here you can see it's normal www.facebook.com, and here I have opened it with m.facebook.com, which is for mobile devices. Okay. Now here what you need to do is that just come here on photo tab, click on photo, select your photo. It's going to be uploaded. Alright, then just copy the description from here and just paste it here. As soon as it's uploaded, yep, it's uploaded, it's going to be posted. You just need to click here on post. If sometimes this does not work for you, like this option, this method with this link, there is another link you can try, that is mbasic.facebook.com/Carol Market Karachi page link, and then just go here. It will open the basic when Facebook started, that format or whatever you can say, that link of Facebook. So here you can go choose file and choose file from here, and then you can just click on post, just paste your description here. All right, so I'm not gonna do that because I have done it here. Let me show you here how it will work. Just click on post in that link, and you can see it's posted. It has not shown me any error, and when I come here on my normal page view, you can see here it's been uploaded. I did not do it with here, and you can see here the photo has been uploaded here. Yep, perfectly. Okay, so this is the fix. Let me know in comments below if it worked for you, and if it did not, I have told you two options, two methods. One is with m.facebook.com and then the link of your page, and the second is mbasic.facebook.com and then your page link. So this is it. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and comment below how did this video work for you, and please like it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.